Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things that people. More blessings on that Monday, yeah, but I just have a little light update for you, easy me. I say, so that's like and share from now on, let's get straight into it. Okay, people, remember, I'm just a messenger. Just don't crucify me, you feel what I'm saying? Because we know most of them like to read, but I don't love to listen. Now, just like the sender says, they feel that TC and Pretty is dissing Dancing Rebel. Yes, you heard correctly, and they're saying that because they seen TC doing a Pum Pum Wash commercial. You see me, and if you know anything about Pum Pum Wash and the girls, or the dolls I should say, you know that Dancing Rebel was supposedly selling it at one time. Yes, because we know that Nicki must they come out and they said she had sell Pum Pum Wash too. And it was a big deal because then people is like, oh, Nicki, is the bleaching billionaire of Jamaica. Want come step in and little people things. And I mean, cause nothing now going for Dancing Rebel, you see me, I say, ever since Spice kicked them to the curb, you see me, I say, it's only Pretty and TC. And them get signed by, sponsors and Rebel does their Ramesh Entertainment. I live off a Spice name. But anyway, the sender said PT on a liar. Rebel does sell pussy wash. They never help her. Do big promo, but they promoting another company's pussy wash. I feel like if my friend's selling something, I'm not accepting no promo to promote another company stuff. I'd rather help my friend push her stuff. Both TC and Pretty doing big promotion. I know Rebel feel a way deep down. You see me, I say my people, and we can't blame Pretty and TC for do them thing, cause at the end of the day, them need money for survive. You see me, I say. And I did see Rebel like the video with TC doing the advertisement, but she can't just be doing that. If you not try to show my face. But Rebel not go on with nothing. You see me, I say. She not going with nothing, cause from the blood now summer start and then me not see not one Pum Pum Wash thing put up as promotion. I could be wrong cause I don't follow up these people. So again, put in the comment section if you think the sender is right. That not Lie.TC, not there with PTR. I'm gonna be honest with people. These people don't like them one another and they're just together because of money. You see me, I say yes. Because together they are something. The dolls that used to work for Spice and everybody want a piece of Spice success. You see me, I say, no, you know what people, let me end that party and proceed. But talking about Spice people, boy, the streets them attack, The streets them attack, and ever since Spice do the latest collaboration with Steph London, Nicki Minaj run go do collaboration. Well, she remix Skang Pretty Little Miss. You see me, I say, and the streets were saying she did that because one, she loved Batman, and two, because Spice always collaborating with her enemies. You see me, I say, it's a few times we see Nicki collab with Jamaican artists like Skilly Bang because Spice did I close up with Cardi B. But now the Barbs them is saying that there might be a collaboration with Lisa Mercedez. Yeah, because the queen of hip hop took to her Instagram page, IG story specifically, and said, "Hey there, girl, run in when bad girl come out." You see me, I say, yo, Lisa Mercedez, yo, I can't stop saying that. And when it comes to artists, when little how should I put it, little punchlines like this stick in your head, it becomes material for a new song. You feel what I mean? And maybe she is thinking about Lisa Mercedez and collaborating with. You see me, I say, put in the comment section what do you think. Honestly, I think it's a good look, and I think nothing that happened before its time. And I think Nicki Minaj is ready to give Lisa Mercedez that collaboration, because let's be honest, Lisa is one of the few that never come out a big Spice for anything. And I mean, our fan base, them a big Spice for collaboration and all of these things, Lisa Mercedez, but you know what? This is what she had to say. She said real effing talk, and she's responded to something only can read later. My relationship, I should say, myself and Nicki Minaj friendship is bigger than a collab. Some people need to chill the F out by just being associated with Nicki means the world to me. Some people need to put in the work and wait they turn. Not every day collab. What's wrong with some of these artists? Nicki cannot help everybody. She got herself to help, but she's not Salvation Army. For real, and you see Nicki right there. Co-signing it, so boy, people, big up yourself, Lisa Mercedez. A bad artist that you see me, I say. And if the collaboration happen, it happens, you see me. But it don't look like Spice ever gonna get that collaboration, you know, people. You see me, I say. But you know the association with Nicki is better. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. No, this thing with RT Boss, I get serious, because the man a draw for the spiritual realms to deal with the demon them that stopped up his dancers. You see me, I say, and you know the thing set. Bamboo girl already at tech. You know, she's already owning up to doing it for whatever reason she's doing it, But no, she's saying that RT Boss has threatened to kidnap her daughter. So this is beyond Obia, and RT Boss had this to say about it. He said RT Boss trending all over Jamaica right now. I dismiss this atrocious behavior. This is not my philosophy. Trying to bring me down. Come better at Jamaica Force. And this is why, because a fake page sent Bambiga say, hi, I'm sending this our message quick as you can. Cause me knows you say you and Bamboo girl a friend and very close person to RT Boss. And him paid to somebody to say, for kidnap Bamboo girl daughter from school today. But put it to me, but I don't agree with it, cause the daughter had nothing to do with it. They're stabbing up the woman, so please send in this message quick, and you and Isabella watch on her back. Honestly, people, me not believe that. You see me, I say, yeah, and Bamboo Girl have to watch what she do, because this is another case about her, for defamation of character. So let's listen to what she have to say, and then we'll proceed.
That you have to come good about that one, yeah. When it come on to my baby, you have to come really good. Really good. What you mean by kidnap? I post up for pretty face. I dare you try it, RT. I dare you. And I go post up, but you don't know nothing about it. I report it. I go report it as I get it. I go report it. So anything happen to my baby, are you gonna get the sink? I'm just glad I'm gonna report it. No, I'm gonna report it, man. I didn't even take it down off of my phone. But not even take it down off of the live. It stay right here. So I want also have a screen record it good and send go give him. I want to screen record it good. Or you can screen record it, send go go no blogger on the vlogger any blood club, but do not want to send it to. Because when you come onto my pit, I might have careless certain about when you come onto my baby, I'm gonna run blood clot drop about pay man for kidnap. At the right place more you go. At the right place you come. Magnum, miss your body. Or tranquility, you know? I miss whosoever you go send come. Fuck him bright, but kidnap. Kidnap your dirty mama. I'm gonna kidnap your dancer, them on a blood clot look good. He will blood clot do it. Him will do it and then post it look like an him for the media. You can't trust people like them there. Remember him having money, him will do it. Right, me not put nothing by past nobody. Man, no says a fake page, but it can be true. Listen, a serious time now, I'm not put nothing by past nobody. Cause I even swear for the woman who birthed me. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, nobody know them real man now go text from them real page and a lie. I just one thing me have to say, RT boss, I dare you. I dare you to try that unless you or your dancer them plan for stop party. I'm not even a blood clot I could water in my mouth. Unless you or your girl them plan for stop what? Party. What for make me stop party? Who can make me stop party? Man, I look pan uni, you know. Man, I look pan uno. Cause you talk too much. And the back of talking, me not work with it. Cause all no good for come from people like go do no bag of fake page. You just can't come up with a real page.
Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.